Hey guys, this is Joshua Bake here. I'm gonna make this video as quick as possible. The chainsaw video I posted yesterday, earlier today, from what I know on my tablet, the quality wasn't so good and such. I'm gonna try to see if I can get myself a better camera, try to post a better video of it. In some sort, but I'm gonna have to make do with my tablet. But just as you see this video, thanks for letting me know about that. And I feel bad that you've been going through a lot of hate and such. So if you see this video, I feel bad for you, man. I really do. Anyways, I'm gonna let this video up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.